I hope you will be fine. Today we will learn how to make a UK account without using a SIM card and without using any VPN. And let's we start how to create. Then you see other have here location in Pakistan. We have SIM card inside Pakistan, and if you are inside Pakistan, then have a location Pakistan. Okay, if you want make a UK account, then click here inside Pakistan. Click here in Pakistan. Then you put your location. Here you search United Kingdom. UNITED United Kingdom. Have in second number have United Kingdom. You need to click United Kingdom. Now your location without using any SIM card, without using any VPN, anything, nothing, no need. Just you search United Kingdom and you just click on United Kingdom. If now you make account, have use phone, email or username. Have there, you don't click here. Just click here. Don't have an account. Have sign up. Click here and sign up. Okay, here you put your email, anything, if you have email, if you have a number. Okay, here if not click there, okay, go back, then click here continue with Google. If you want, continue with Facebook, anywhere if you want. Okay, first of all, if I want to make my account with my Google, then continue with Google. Continue with Google and click. Just wait, I have loading. Okay, I have many Gmails, but just if you want to make anything with this one, I click this one. I click this one. Then here automatically create your UK account. Okay, I hope I hope you understand how to create a UK account without using a SIM card, without using any VPN, without using anything. No need anything. Just too much simple, too much easy. If you have any question about that, you can comment, you can ask me. I am available for you 24/7. Thank you so much.